Haha! Ooh, it's a Cape May warbler.
He's yellow.
And a tufted titmouse.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, we've got a gray plover out here today.
I'm a grape lover.
No, a gray plover, dear.
Oh, what's that one?
Let me see. Ugh, it's just the lesser yellow legs.
No, honey, to the right of the lesser yellow legs.
The northern flicker, who cares?
No, below that.
Okay. Huh. I'm not recognizing that one. I think we may have discovered a new species. It's not a sanderling or a thick-billed mere.
I know it isn't a sharp-shinned hawk.
Oh, don't be silly. Of course not.
Hey, what the hell do you think you're doing?
He spotted us, dear. I think he's coming closer.
Why don't you try flying for once? You know, in this modern world, it's never been more important to protect your privacy. The aspects of your life that are most intimate, most vulnerable, and most personal should never be compromised. Your fears, failures, and fantasies are only for the privileged few
I need a doctor.
with whom you've granted this access. Those you love, those you trust. Please keep this in mind and never let prying eyes disempower us all. Thank you.